Olaplex number 3. It's upside down right now because it's on its last leg. It's on its last use. So I have, let's just do it. I feel so sad. I feel fucking sad. Finally, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to be detangling my hair after taking it down from my 1-month-old protective hairstyle. Now that hairstyle I hated because it didn't come out the way I wanted it to. I'm going to post a pic of what I actually wanted. My muse for that particular hairstyle was Beyonce's Foxy Cleopatra in the Austin Powers Gold Member movie, but it didn't quite turn out the way I wanted it to. It came out pretty ugly, but I was able to work it for about 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, it started looking like rubbish. I had to start wearing bonnets. That actually defeats the purpose of me getting the hair done in the first place. Okay, yesterday night, I did a hot oil treatment with my aloe vera and coconut oil from Parachutes. Then I came out and washed everything out with my Head and Shoulders shampoo, which also has conditioning properties, so my hair feels very moisturized right now. Whenever I'm taking my hair down, I tend to detangle it and pre-poo with my Olaplex number 3. It's upside down right now because it's on its last use. When I am done trying to get the best I can out of this, I'm going to cut the bottle open and get the rest out of it because this is too bloody expensive. Now I'm going to unravel. My ends are horrible. Bought a conditioner that doesn't condition anything about my hair for 35 cedis. Bought a coconut oil that is not really coconut oil for 30 cedis. My intentions for this video was to make it like a Ghana versus Nigeria hair care product show off, but I can't do that because I do not like any of the products, and just like their jollof rice, it cannot compare to Nigeria at all. See, my hair has been in for 1 month, so not too many tangles and all that. So we're going to twist. My ends have never been this bad. My hair doesn't normally get dry, but these products have tested it. They have tested its patience. Very, I really can't wait to. I've never like anticipated a hair trim before. Never shied away from it though. But now I'm going to come back when everything has been dealt with. You learn. We are done. Now this is what my hair looks like, fully detangled. Let me show you all the shed hair that came out. This is everything, not too much, despite the fact that I have like crazy damage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this sit for about an hour, wash it out with shampoo, then condition it with this terrible conditioner that I bought from, well, at least terrible for my hair. Everything, I'm telling you, everything that I got in this country is not favoring me and my hair at all. So see when this settles. This is the conditioner. I think it's Mikesh herbal conditioner, and in order to make this just a little bit effective, because this does not condition at all, and for how expensive it is, a little does not go a long way. I've used this twice now and it's more than halfway gone. I have a lot of hair, but this is like a half a liter bottle. It's not supposed to be running out this fast. I'm going to come back when I am done splitting my hair into section and applying this goddamn thing to every section. Tip: if you want your life to be easy when you are taking care of your natural hair, sections will be your best friend. I have sectioned off my hair. Now to go into, look at how watery this thing is, and it's watery for nothing. No slip. Hey, you're in Ghana and you know any good hair care products that are affordable as well, leave your recommendations in the comment, please. When I was in Accra Mall, I saw, hair care brands that I was familiar with, but they were bloody expensive. But at this rate, I am really contemplating blowing that money on it, because I spent almost something similar to that amount on expensive nonsense, and now I am annoyed. So I think it's just best to close my eyes and cough out the money for those. One good thing I can say about the conditioner is, due to the fact that it is pretty watery, it tends to penetrate all the hair strands. You understand? But to now have products that make you more frustrating, especially products that you spend so much money on, it's not helping my mood at all. This is what my hair looks like after the conditioner has been fully applied. My ends, I don't know, look, just look at some of these things. Are my hair breaking? I'm seeing tiny pieces of hair mixed with the long. This is what my hair is looking like. Let's do a mini length check. Thankfully, it's still hip length, but the inches that make it that hip length, they feel horrible. This year I said that I didn't want to be negative, I didn't want to complain about anything, but I'm not happy. I'm really not happy. So this is the Mediana leave-in conditioning milk. I really don't look forward to using this, but let's just do it. I feel so sad. I feel fucking sad.